These 3 free AI websites feel absolutely unreal. Number 1, ChatGPT. Number 2, Canva AI. Number 3, Notion AI. Number 1, ChatGPT. This AI can help you write, study, brainstorm ideas, and even create content in seconds. Perfect for students, creators, and freelancers. Organize notes. Number 2, Canva AI. You can create thumbnails, logos, videos, and social media posts with just a few clicks. No design skills needed. Summarize text. Number 3, Notion AI. This tool helps you organize notes, summarize text, and boost productivity like crazy. Perfect for daily work, manage tasks, and boost productivity.